Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Rajkumar Pandit, Faculty of Computer Science in JSS Mary Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City. Today, this video is prepared for the students of class 8. Today's topic is networking concept. In the previous topic, we have discussed about what is network, advantage of networks. Today, I will discuss about the component of networks and types of networks. Okay, let us start. Let us start the topic networking components. The first networking component is network card. Network card is a physical device attached with the CPU. This is essential for connect more than one system. It is also known as Ethernet network card. This card is external for CPU but inbuilt for laptop, smartphone, tab, etc. Second one is networking cable. Networking cable means used for connect more than two computers through the wire. These wires are RJ45. This one is the wire name RJ45. In the wireless communication, there is no need to networking cable. Next one is modem. The full form of modem is modulator demodulator. Means encrypt and decrypt the data used in the computer. Encrypt means convert digital signal into analog signal, and decrypt means analog signals to digital signals. We have also uses the hub and switch. Hub and switch are used to connect more than one computer through this device. Next one is type of network. There are four types of networks. First one is PAN, Personal Area Network. Second one is LAN, Local Area Network. Next one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. And last, WAN, Wide Area Network. These are the networks used depend upon the distance. If we connect the computer or laptop with mobile phone, this one is used for personally. Connect by the so we can say that personal area networks used within the 10-meter distance, and we can connect laptop and mobiles only. But in the local area network, it covers 10 to 100-meter distance and mainly used in a building or in an office. Next one is MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. As the name suggests, metropolitan, it covers entire city. The cable television is the example of MAN. And next one is WAN. That is called Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network mainly cover entire state or a large distance compared to MAN. The internet and intranet in a large multinational company uses the WAN. ATM facility, national and multinational bank customer services uses also the WAN networking. So we can say that local area network and wide area networks as the local area cover 10 to 100 meter while MAN covers the entire city. Next one is network security. We can send data to more than one computer. In that case, some of the unauthorized person may try to access the personal data. So we need to data security. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Means some of the people try to theft leave records, leave details, salary performance, etc. Some of the people try to delete the personal data, or some of the people try to harm the data. So network security is essentials. We can use network security using the login security. Login security. Login security, network security provide username and password. Username and password. Without correct username and password, unauthorized persons cannot open your data. And next one is write security. Write security. Based upon username, we are giving the right to the data users, such as read only. Read only. The read only user ID, users can read the data. He cannot modify it. But if we use read, write access, in that case, user can read and write both. So we should try to protect data using the login security and write security facility. The networking concept chapters has been covered, and you should try to complete the exercise If any doubt, you can send message on Teno. Okay, students, thank you.